What's up, y'all? In this episode on my day off vlog, we are making apple pie cupcakes.
Mini apple pie cupcakes.
Chef Rack and Laddidimplez. The organic traditional pie crust. Putting them in there. And then we're going to put them in the oven. Now it's time to put the tops on and put them in the oven at 350. Check those out. Laddidimplez, Chef Rack, Laddidimplez. So we're gonna put these in at 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Ooh. Now we're finna plate it. And check it out. Apple pie cupcake. Oh, don't forget your ice cream. Check that out.